Centrifugation. Centrifugation is the process of separation of insoluble materials from a liquid when normal filtration does not work well. Centrifugation is based on size, shape, density of the particles, viscosity of the medium, and speed of rotation. The principle of centrifugation is that when spun rapidly, the denser particles are forced to the bottom and the lighter particles stay at the top. The apparatus used for centrifugation is called a centrifuge. The centrifuge consists of a centrifuge tube holder called a rotor. The rotor holds balanced centrifugal tubes of equal amounts of the solid-liquid mixture. On rapid rotation of the rotor, the centrifuge tubes rotate horizontally, and due to the centrifugal force, the denser insoluble particles separate from the liquid. When the rotation stops, the solid particles end up at the bottom of the centrifuge tube with the liquid at the top. Materials required: centrifuge machine, centrifuge tube, milk and distilled water. Procedure: take a centrifuge tube and fill it 3/4 full of milk. Place the centrifuge tube in one of the holes of the rotor of the centrifuge. Take another centrifuge tube and fill it 3/4 full of distilled water. Place it opposite the first centrifuge tube to balance the centrifuge machine. Then, close the centrifuge machine and centrifuge the milk for 13 minutes. After 13 minutes, take the centrifuge tube containing milk from the machine and observe the changes. The fat rises to the top, resulting in a cream layer at the top and skim milk or plasma phase of milk at the bottom. From this, we can infer that when spun rapidly, the denser particles are forced to the bottom and the lighter particles stay on top.